So, another types of permutation na tinatawag nating distinguishable permutation. Yan. So, permutation. So, distinguishable permutation, for example, from the word distinguish. So, distinguishable permutations may madaling makakilala. Diba? Ang namumukha-mukha agad, familiar, ganun. Okay. So, ang formula naman natin dyan, for example, so from the word distinguishable, ito yung mga, yung i-arrange natin, pero may nauulit na elements or terms. So, for example, ball. Diba? Or sorry, B-A-L-L. No. So, in how many ways you can arrange B-A-L-L? Diba? Ilang arrangement ang makukuha niya. So, dito, meron tayong nakitang isang letra o dalawang letters na magkaparehas. Which is, meron tayong dalawang L. So, dito papasok, pwede mo i-arrange yan, diba? So, pag pinagpalit mo yan kasi, for example, ito, B-A. Pagpalitin mo itong dalawa, L, L pa rin. Ganoon pa rin. No. So, hindi applicable to dun sa permutation of N, taken all. Kasi kahit pagbalik na rin mo yung dalawang L, ganun pa rin yung arrangement nila. Okay. So, kaya dito papasok ang ating distinguishable permutation. Ang formula naman natin dyan is permutation is equal to N over P factorial, Q factorial, R factorial, and so on. So, where N, may factorial pala yan. So, para mas maintindihan natin, lagyan natin ng example. Let's say we have tatak. Okay. Example natin. Okay, in how many ways we can arrange T-A-T-A-K? No? So, ilang arrangement na pwedeng magagawa natin dyan? Okay, gamitin natin yung formula. Ilan ba lahat ng ating elements? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Tapos, ano-ano yung mga letters? Let's say we have T na may magkaparehas. So, meron tayong T. Ilan yung T? So, meron tayong dalawa. Then yung A. Ilan yung A? Dalawa din. No. So, let's say this is our P and this is our Q. So, wala tayong R kasi dalawa lang yung may kaparehas. No. So, kung umabot ng 5, so on. Basta, ano naman yan eh. Kung isa lang, isa lang. Okay. So, gamitin natin itong formula. Substitute natin. Ang value ng N natin is 5. Factorial. Then, ito ay, yung P natin, 2. 2 factorial times another 2 factorial. So, we have kung meron tayong calculator, solve na lang natin yan. No? Pero kung wala tayong calculator, kailangan natin mga technique para mas mabilis nating masolve yan. So, gawin natin, expand natin to up to the biggest number dito. Alin ba yung mas malaki? So, since parehas lang naman yan, isa lang. So, 2 na lang. We have 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial. Tapos, yung isa dito, i-expand mo, yung isa, hindi. So, unahin na natin ito. Huwag na muna natin i-expand. Ito siya. Hindi natin na-expand to. Tapos ito, expand natin. We have 2 times 1. Okay. So, bakit ba hindi natin expand? Tulad ng ginawa natin kanina, magka-cancel na lang tayo. Para konti na lang yung multiply natin. So, i-cancel natin itong 2 factorial. I-cancel natin itong 2 factorial. Okay. Then, pwede dito, pwede ka rin mag-cancel or pwede ka rin mag-divide. So, yung iba kasi nahihirapan sa pagka-cancel. So, ito kasi, pwede i-cancel to, tapos i-cancel mo, magiging 2. So, So, pag kinancel mo to, dito, ito kasi is 2 times 2. Yung 4 natin. So, i-cancel mo yung 2 na galing dito. So, ito na yung multiply mo. We have 5 times 2 times 3. So, we have 30. No. Pero kung nalilito ka ng pagka-cancel natin, pwede mo namang diretso na. Multiply mo na lang, tas divide. You have 5. This is 4. And this is 2. So, multiply mo lang. Diretso mo na lang multiply. Or pwede ito na, diretso mo na yung multiply. No. We have 5 times 4 times 3. It is equal to 60. Tapos, merong 2 times 1 is 2. That is equal to 30 ways. Po. 30 ways. So, kung yung pwede nating arrangement na gawin dito. Or kung nalilito kung ayaw nyo mag-cancel, hindi gumamit na lang kayo calculator. Or ano nyo na, expand nyo na lang lahat. So, pwede rin dito dito. You have 5 times 4 times 3 times 2. So, instead of factorial, gawin times 1. Tapos ito, expand nyo rin. So, instead na ganito, gawin yung 2 times 1. So, ito, instead na ganito, ito, 2 times 1 pa rin naman. And then, multiply nyo na lang to. We have 5 times 4, 20, times 3, 60, times 2. We have 120. Tapos divide mo 4. 1 times 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 4 times 1 is 4. Then divide mo, you have 30 ways. So yun po yung distinguishable permutation. Isa pang example ng distinguishable permutation. Let's say yung word natin ay palakpakin. Or P-A-L-A-K-P-A-K-I-N. So, in how many ways we can arrange these letters? Different ways. In different ways. No? So, distinguishable permutation siya kasi may mga elements siya na nauulit. Okay. Hanapin natin yung value ng n. Hanapin natin yung value ng ilan lahat yung elements natin. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, ang value ng n natin is 10. Then, hanapin natin yung mga letters na may magkakaparehas. So, yung P, ilan siya? We have 1, 2. The next letter is A. Ilan yung A natin? We have 1, 2, 3. 3. Then meron pa ba magkaparehas? K. K natin is 2. So let's say this is our P. This is Q. And this is R. Ayan, tatlo sa kanila. Dalawa lang yung mga sa denominator natin o yung magkakaparehas na letters. Elements. So ngayon, dalawa na. Tatlo na. Okay. So using this formula, ano yung value ng n natin? We have 10 factorial. Then yung unang letter natin na may kaparehas is P, which is 2. Then factorial. Times, next letter is A, which is 3 times siyang nandun. We have 3 factorial. Then, the last letter is K, which is meron tayong dalawa dun. Another 2 factorial. Then, again, we have 10 factorial. So, we can use calculator or we can use cancellation. No, 151,200 ways. Hmm. No? So, yun yung pwedeng arrangement, different arrangement na pwedeng gawin natin sa mga letters na nandito. Or, pwede mo naman i-expand. So, ano ba yung value ng 10 factorial? 628,800. Divide mo dito sa, what is 2 factorial? Ang 2 factorial natin is 2. 3 factorial natin is 6. And another 2 factorial natin is 2. So that is equivalent to 24. Then divide mo sila, 24. 3,628,000. 3,628,800 divided by 24 is 151,200. Another permutation na pag-aaralan natin ngayon is yung tinatawag nating circular permutations. No. Sinabing circular permutation, or pag sinabi natin circular permutation, ito yung pag-arrange ng mga tao, bagay na nakapaikot. For example, sa isang circular table. So, paano mo i-arrange yung mga guests mo dyan? So, sino yung mga magkakatabi? So, paano mo sila i-arrangement? Anong arrangement na magagawa mo dyan? So, ito yung example ng permutation. At ang ginagamit natin formula sa circular permutation is simple lang. Sa circular permutation is equal to n minus 1 factorial. So, tandaan nyo lang yung mga formula, makukuha nyo yan. So, n minus 1 factorial. So, kanina, permutation of n, taken r. May formula yon. Permutation of taken n, taken all. May another formula din yon. Ito naman, yung circular permutation. Permutation is equals to n minus 1 factorial. No. Okay, sample tayo. There is a junior high school math camp and division of result held at the quadrangle of San Isidro National High School. Many students are participating from the different secondary schools. The math campers are grouped into 10 groups with 8 members each. Each group is asked to form a circle and they will be sitting on the ground. If the seating arrangement is circular, in how many possible ways can the 8 members be seated? Meron tayong 10 groups, pero meron silang 8 members. So, bali, disregard na natin yung 10 kasi tinatanong naman natin is in how many possible ways can 8 members be seated. So, hindi na sinama yung another members. So, yung 8 lang. Hindi naman siya tinanong kasama yung 10. No, hindi naman nila i-arrange yung bawat grupo. So, yung magkakagrupo lang. No. So therefore, ang n natin is 8. So, using the formula, the circular permutation is equals to n minus 1 factorial. It is simply permutation is equals to 8 minus 1 factorial is equal to 7 factorial. And what is 7 factorial? 7 factorial is equals to 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, or makakakuha ka ng sagot na 5,040. So, yun yung pwedeng arrangement na magagawa ng 8 members kung paikot sila. So, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Yan. So, ayun so, pag ito nagpalit, isang permutation na yun. Ito nagpalit, another permutation. So, makakabuo ka o makakagawa ka ng 5,040 arrangement. No? Okay na.